Welcome to Sentiment Trader. Today, we're excited to introduce our newly released feature, My Signal. This powerful tool automatically monitors your trading strategies and alerts you the moment a signal is triggered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating one of the most popular signals, the SameBar Multi-Condition Signal, using the My Signal feature. This signal is designed to trigger only when two specific conditions are met on the same bar. In this example, the signal combines a sentiment-based condition and a technical-based condition. Condition 1 is SPY optics value drops below 35. Condition 2 is the price closes above the 200-bar simple moving average. Next, let's walk through how to set up these parameters step by step. First, go to My Signal and the Create New Signal section. Customize the signal name, symbol, and timeframe as needed, or leave them at their default settings. From the Signal Criteria menu, select SameBar Multi-Condition. Set the score to 2. This ensures the signal is triggered only when both Condition 1 and Condition 2 are met at same bar. Under Condition 1, choose Sentiment Indicator from the Type drop-down, select SPY Optics from the Indicator menu, and set the indicator value to less than 35. This means Condition 1 is met when the SPY Optics value drops below 35. Next, switch to the Condition 2 tab. Choose Technical Indicator from the Type drop-down, select Moving Average from the Indicator menu, and set the symbol close value to be greater than the 200-bar simple moving average. This ensures Condition 2 is met when the price closes above the 200-bar simple moving average. Click Save Signal to finalize your setup. Your new signal will now appear in your signal list, with the latest signals highlighted in yellow for easy identification. Click My Signal Intro and enable My Signal Alerts. This way, you'll receive instant notifications whenever a signal is triggered, ensuring you never miss an important and actionable signal. You can use the same workflow to create single condition or time order multi-condition signals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.